The liberals are only humans too, you know what I mean? We were watching the stuff about Eamonn Casey last night, and you're looking at a situation where here were these guys like who put themselves out there as being incredibly virtuous and, you know, moralized and lectured at everybody else and you know, virtue signaling about themselves almost, you could say, and you know, they ran the country with an iron fist, and then suddenly this happened with Casey, and it was the first inkling that people got that actually these guys are only human. And like I remember, presumably you remember your parents at that stage. This was the first inkling of any of this, and that everything that came afterwards, a lot of it was way worse when you think about it. Casey was innocent enough in ways, like, you know, but I mean comparatively, yes, hypocritical, and it, as he said himself, caused a lot of pain and everything. I'm not saying I have any sympathy for him, but I'm just saying that was that. But you think about it now, like, and we have a new orthodoxy in public discourse, and it's the virtuous liberals, like, who are good people and calling out anyone else who says anything bad or wrong or whatever, you know. And like, in a way, like, I mean, look, I'm a liberal myself, like, but at the same time, they're like the church these days, you know. And I think if there's a you know, if the interesting thing to do 20 years ago, 10 years ago, was to kind of call out the church on things and stuff like that, I think in a way the interesting thing now is start calling out the liberals. But I wonder how long before there's a liberal Bishop Eamonn Casey moment, and suddenly people, the scales fall from the right. The liberals are only humans too, you know what I mean?